Have you ever wondered if vaccines could be the cause of autism and Down syndrome? This is a common belief that circulates within society, often causing confusion and fear. Today, we'll dive deep into this topic, debunking myths and providing clarity on the matter. Firstly, let's tackle the elephant in the room, the myth that vaccines cause autism. This notion emerged in 1998 when a now debunked study incorrectly linked the MMR vaccine to autism. Since then, multiple scientific studies have been conducted involving millions of children worldwide. These studies found no evidence of a link between vaccines and autism. The World Health Organization, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the National Institutes of Health, and countless other reputable health organizations globally all support this conclusion. Another pervasive myth is that vaccines are unnecessary because natural immunity is better. This is not true. Yes, natural immunity can provide protection, but the risk involved is far greater. Vaccines, on the other hand, work by training the immune system to recognize and combat pathogens without causing the disease or putting the individual at risk. Moving on to Down syndrome, a genetic disorder caused by the presence of an extra 21st chromosome. It's important to understand that Down syndrome occurs at conception long before any vaccines are administered. Therefore, it is scientifically impossible for vaccines to cause Down syndrome. Another myth that needs debunking is that vaccines contain harmful substances. Vaccines may contain trace amounts of substances like formaldehyde or aluminum, but these are present in harmless quantities, much less than we encounter in our daily lives. These substances are essential in making the vaccine effective and safe. The idea that too many vaccines can overwhelm the immune system is also a fallacy. The human immune system is incredibly robust, capable of handling thousands of antigens at any given time. The number of antigens in vaccines is a tiny fraction of what our bodies deal with every day. In conclusion, the myths surrounding vaccines often stem from misinformation and a lack of understanding. The truth is, vaccines are one of the most effective tools we have in preventing serious diseases. They do not cause autism or Down syndrome, they are not unnecessary, and they do not contain harmful substances in quantities that could cause harm. Furthermore, the number of vaccines administered does not overwhelm the immune system. Remember, when in doubt, turn to credible sources of information, such as reputable health organizations. They base their recommendations on extensive research and evidence. The health and well-being of society depend on the collective understanding and acceptance of these scientific truths.